Hello guys, welcome. And in this entire series, I will tell you the video above all the tools of pre-installed tools. Okay, in parrot, so I have taken such a parrot in which no tool is installed. Also, I have an internship. If you do not have internship support, then either you come live. If you are using VMware, then you can come to live mode or purchase the adapter that I am showing on the screen right now, okay? Tenda or TP-Link. Take whichever one you like. Take that one. Okay, according to me, what is of Tenda is very good. So I have taken the black, parrot Linux. There are no tools installed. So basically I come to my terminal. Apart from this, I will give you a little deep explanation. Above some modes and the attacks that take place inside Wi-Fi are fine. And basically this is the complete series. In this Wi-Fi special, means Wi-Fi, I have made 3 different videos. I have explained all its attacks, so here are some commands which are basic commands. As you will get to see, the same work happens here. Alright, there's no change. If the sudo appears empty here, then I basically update my terminal. Sudo update, then update are both the same okay. It means sudo. I am running sa superuser and superuser do, and if I have to run sa root user, then I have to do superuser do superuser. Okay, so if I come as a root user, then the command that is sudo su is being updated here. No tools are installed here, which means I have to install wifite as well. Well, if I attack someone else like fun or someone else. So for that, I need to take another tool. That is aircrack nungbut, Wi-Fi, all these things are installed in Wi-Fi. So I will not need to install aircrack ng, which is separately. Well, this update has arrived. Almost done. All right, this has been updated. Okay, so let's install sudo apd gate install. It's in black, you don't have to. Okay, but I'm using parrot. I don't have any tools. As I have said, I apologize for the mode in which I am a little sorry. Take it once again. Okay, so I will tell you all the winning attacks in this, or all the different attacks in Wi-Fi. Apart from that, I will tell you about some modes here in this video. I will give the knowledge of modes, like there is a monitor mode, there is a manager mode, and there is a mode they will discuss in the future. Well, we call it foot to foot. There is some such mode. I will definitely tell you about it, okay? Then my Wi-Fi has been installed. Here we have to give yes to the capture packet. Okay, then basically we are here. My Wi-Fi has been installed. So what is here? My Wi-Fi has been installed. So I will take you to my Libro office. So here I will explain to you some modes and some attacks that occur in Wi-Fi. And after that, I will also explain to you in different videos. Okay, so this is my Libro office. What I have here, I will explain to you about the 2 modes. Let me enlarge it a little bit so that you can see, right? So I am explaining to you about the 2 modes. We will discuss about the 3rd mode sometime in the future. Okay, then 2 types of mode. The first one is monitor mode. Basically, we are hackers. They see the monitor mode in a bit more depth. Well, we keep an eye on all Wi-Fi from monitor mode, who is connected to it. Whoever is not connected, then in a way we monitor him, in a complete way, and we will hack from monitor mode only. Well, hacking happens only after going into monitor mode. Apart from that, there is the 2nd mode. Manage mode is fine. What the manage mode does is that the manage mode provides you with the complete data connection. Come. Okay, so basically, if you are connected to the internet and you are traveling the internet, then because of which management are you okay? So what are you doing here? Wi-Fi hacking is okay. And what do you do with manage mode? Internet access is good. Internet access is fine. This has been done. Now we come forward. Then we will see how attacks occur inside Wi-Fi. Okay, so what is the security of, then basically what is the first one is WPS Wi-Fi security. So the attacks that occur in it are very good attacks. You attack them directly to hack Wi-Fi. No client is required. Let me tell you why you need a client. He is fine in WBA security, then the attack that will happen in it will be PC dust, null pin will be null pin now 2020. You are new in 2022, okay. Then besides that comes WPA-W, Wi-Fi protected access. Then the attacks that will be in it will be handsec attack. What will be in it? What the client needs here is, well, handsec capturing. What is between the router and the client is the attack. And the second is PM's ID, the client is not needed here. In this, the PM's ID is captured directly. If the identity of the footmaster is fine, then all these attacks occur. I will also tell you differently above the ID of the PM. Okay, then basically we come to our attack. We are making these videos for the work, okay? So I'm gonna do so. If I have to run it digitally, then I can do Wi-Fi by putting sudo sud, okay? So I am basically in monitor mode. There is another way to go into monitor mode. I will explain that thing to you. But this is basically what I try. So my interface is W10 means internship set. Well, if your work is not being done, if the driver is telling the driver's issue, then understand that your interface is not what it is. Okay, so I start this attack, something has come here, and what happens to the VPS will be my attack. Apart from that, I will tell you more, all right? So let's start here. This one is cracked. Okay, this attack on WPS, and this attack was successful. Okay, then WPS, spin router was attacked, and it showed me the password. Well, besides that, this is the other one. This is an attack on SSID, meaning which is being attacked on other networks. Look here, this handset capture has been attached. Basically, the motive for speaking is this. The motive for explaining is that you get whatever video you have. If you watch the video, okay, basically what is my funda? This entire video, which is empty. I want to explain to you what is behind. When there is a WPA attack, the attack on anyone is not successful. As if it is on the hotspot of the mobile, then the attack is not successful there. Sometimes yes, not always. Then sometimes the attack is not successful. Then he starts the WPA attack, which is to starts handset capturing. All right.
Trying to crack via system hashcat is fine. Hashcat is not a wood list. Here you cannot give the wood list by yourself. If you have to give it, then you can use whatever fun you have. I will also tell you how to use it. There is no system hashcat there. Even if PM's attack will happen, you will only have the system hashcat there. You will have to run it, but we will do it by upgrading the hashcat a little bit. So here I am changing the network that I do not have to attack it now. If I have to do it on another one, then you can basically use it. Okay, then this is done attack of PS, attack on PS network. After this, I will tell you attack on WAP network, and once I will run it in black and tell you okay, then basically I stop here, and once I on someone I do the link is web. Okay, this facility and the root is both the same network. I have closed. So here PMKit attack. Okay, I will tell you separately exam tool. Okay, then for that you have to install the library. Then one night here is okay.